방송 중입니다. Morning.
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 It's getting colder again.
Yep. And I heard it will raining.
It will rain today?
아니.
This weekend?
This weekend. So maybe that means that it's not that cold.
Okay,
Still.
so I hope the road doesn't get icy.
Black ice?
Yeah. If it rains and if the temperature's
Goes down.
low, it's gonna get really slippery.
So what is your plan for this weekend?
Okay.
Like a talk show now. Because nobody's coming in.
This weekend we're gonna have an open class for new students, maybe current students if they want to come and see how the classes are like, and they can just
And I
enjoy.
saw some kids and the moms who are not the kids are not actually our current students, but those are the siblings.
Oh,
the
yeah,
younger.
yeah, I think I mentioned.
Yeah, brothers and
I
sisters.
mentioned that. So I wish they can join the class on Saturday. This Saturday, tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna
내일
read a good
설명회예요.
book.
저희 그 유튜브 프로그램 공개 수업해서 주린 선생님이 이 스토리텔링 해주시는 거랑 저희 유튜브 프로그램을 라이브로 보실 수가 있어서 가까우면 오시면 좋을 것 같아요.
We'll be having
시간은
the class at
1:30 1시 30분, 오후 1시 30분. 네.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's happening?
Sorry. Maybe.
응? 여기 터치해도 그렇게 되나? I don't know. 이건 사진인데? 이상하네. Anyways. Good morning.
Alright. We were about a minute late, but we'll wait for 2 more people and read the story. And we will be having our open class tomorrow, so I hope if they can come, they can come.
Right.
But we'll share, maybe if we have a chance, we'll share the book,
맞아요.
and in the Instagram live sometime.
Right.
Right? This month or next month.
오케이. 내일 저희가 유튜브 프로그램 설명회 하면서 저희가 오픈 클래스 하거든요. 오후 1시 반에. 그래서 그때 저희가 책 읽어드리는 것도 하는데 라이브로. 네, 라이브가 아니구나. 이건 뭐라고 해야 되지? What can I say? 라이브는 라이브죠. 근데
Not on Instagram.
Not on Instagram. 우리 학원에서 하는 오픈 클래스 하는데 그때 한 거 책도 저희가 곧 스케줄 잡아서 올리도록 할게요. 네, 주린 선생님이 야심차게 준비하셨기 때문에 재밌을 겁니다. Okay, let's introduce today's book then.
Is Bear Snores on. You might have noticed that a bear is sleeping, and we're gonna connect this book with the theme hibernation.
Right.
Do you remember some books that we've read together that mention something about hibernation? There were
Yeah,
2 books.
like Leaves.
Yes, Leaves. The
Leaves,
bear.
the bear.
The bear was.
It's all about bears.
Yes, it was all about bears. I love bears. He was looking at leaves, but eventually he went to sleep with
Made
leaves.
a very cozy hibernating spot.
Colorful
Yeah, colorful
leaves.
spot with the leaves.
And there was another book that was called A Bed for
Yeah.
A Bed for Bear, and he was looking for a good place to sleep, and it was a cave. And here we're going to talk about a bear that is actually sleeping. So hope you enjoy the story with us. Shall we start?
Okay, so what is the target strategy for today?
Today's target strategy is my 2 favorites, predicting and sequencing. But today, sequencing, we're going to do a craft. We're going to do a little...
Yeah, we're gonna do the craft. Kids love craft.
Show you how we did the craft.
Okay.
And a little visualization of how the bear is sleeping in a cave.
Right. 오늘 그래서 target으로 하는 거는 그 sequencing을 하는데 sequencing을 craft로 할 수도 있어요. sequencing은 이제 글의 순서를 다시 한번 기억해서 이야기해 보기, 글의 순서를 맞춰 보기라는 읽기 전략법인데 그걸 할 때 보통 저희가 했을 때 되면 주요 장면들 제일 쉬운 방법은 주요 장면들을 뽑아서 자 어떤 장면이 제일 처음에 나왔었지라고 해서 이제 그 장면들을 가지고 1번, 2번, 3번, 4번 그 학습지에다 이렇게 붙이는 형식도 있었는데 오늘은 아이들이 너무너무 좋아하는 크래프트 만들기를 통해서 시퀀싱을 공부하는 방법도 저희가 나눠드리도록 하겠습니다. Okay, I think we have 3 companions here, so we can start.
Good job. All right.
Here we go.
All right, everyone. Today's picture book is Bear Snores On. And I see a bear is sleeping. Sleeping? But what about the other animals? What are they doing, everyone? Are they trying to wake him up? Oh no, I don't think he's gonna like that. I see some animals here. What kind of animals do you see?
Rabbit,
I see a rabbit.
badger,
I see a badger.
a mole,
A mole.
mouse,
I see a mouse. And this is a little, it said, I think the book talks about a gopher. It's
Gopher.
a little kind of squirrel that lives under the ground. I think this looks like a crow.
crow,
And I wonder what are they doing while the bear is sleeping. The Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. Are you ready?
Yep.
Yay! I see some plates, a kettle, some corn. I wonder when these would appear in the story. What is the season, everyone?
It's snowy.
winter.
It's winter.
It's snowy. And what do you see there? What do you think that is? It's
A hole?
dark. It looks like a hole, yeah. A little hole, rather a big hole in the deep forest, winter forest. And I see some footprints that's going inside the cave. I wonder whose footprints they are. Do you think you can tell who that is? A round brown back cuddled inside the cave? It's a bear. Can you tell? I think it's his ears, but I think he's sleeping. Let's see if I'm right. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair. In his cave, everyone. Through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. In his lair, a brown bear. He's sleeping in winter. He's hibernating. Remember the word hibernating? The animals sleep in the winter. Oh, he's trying to sleep in his cave, cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day. He sleeps through the night. I see some corn and some pots and kettles. Maybe he had a big dinner before he went to sleep. He's trying to cuddle in and take a deep, long sleep. But, the cold winds howl. It's very cold. The wind is blowing and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. You have to be quiet when the bear snores on. He doesn't want to wake up in his nice long sleep, right? The bear snores on. Oh no, who's visiting? The coals pop and the wind doesn't stop. Oh, I'm sorry, I think I skipped a page. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. So we looked at the other page, but we know that a little mouse came by. And maybe the mouse was very cold and he wants to go inside because he's cold. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. So what did the little mouse do? He made a fire with little twigs, and he's next to the hot fire to keep him warm. But he's right next to the bear. The coals pit pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Can you make a snoring sound, everyone? How would the bear would snore? Yeah. The bear snores on. I hope the little fire doesn't wake him up. Be careful there, little mouse. The bear is snoring, sleeping. Who's coming by, everyone? A rabbit! Is he going to join the mouse? Two glowing eyes, sneak peek in the den. Where are you going, little rabbit? Mouse cries, who's there? And a hare hops in. So it's a hare. It's a big rabbit that lives in the forest. Does he want to join in? I think he does. He's cold. Oh, mouse, says hare. Long time no see. So they pop white corn. They pop white corn together next to the bear. And they brew black tea. Oh, they're enjoying corn and enjoying black tea, everyone. What a nice moment with each other, but they're next to a bear. Mouse sips, wee slurps, tiny little slurps. Bear burps, big burps. Burp. Uh-oh. A big burp right next to the bear. But the bear snores on. Phew. That was close. I hope he doesn't wake up. Uh-oh. Someone's joining in. What do you think it is? Do you remember an animal that we saw in the book, The Mitten? It was a badger. A badger scuttles by. Sniff, snuffs at the air. What do you think he smells, everyone? Corn. They popped corn. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share? But he brought something. I've brought honey nuts. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. Oh, that was nice. Having some food together with the hare and the mouse and the badger together. But where are they right now? They're in the bear's lair, right next to the bear. Do you think it's going to be okay? I don't know. And they nibble and they munch with the chew, 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 chew. Look at the little hare chewing. Chomp, 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 chomp. The badger chomping the nuts. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The mouse is crunch. But it seems a little bit loud crunching the nuts together. But what about the bear? What's the bear doing, everyone? But the bear snores on. Oh, I'll be so scared if the noise is going to make the bear wake up. What do you think? But the bear snores on. Uh-oh, there's more friends, more company joining. A gopher and a mole tunneled up through the floor. They live on the ground. Maybe they were joining in from the ground. Uh-oh, there's the gopher and the mole. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4 animals. And there's more in the cave. Oh my goodness. They're enjoying a feast, everyone. Mole mutters, what a night. Oh my gosh, they're having fun. What a storm, twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Oh my, there's the hare, there's the little, I think that's the gopher, there's the mole, there's the mouse, there's the badger, there's the wren, and the raven. They're enjoying a stormy night in the bear's cave. I don't think that's a good idea. What do you think? But the bear is snoring. Oh my, look at them. What are they doing?
Wow.
I think they're dancing. They're having a little dance, a feast. They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. How lucky they are. They're warming themselves in the bear's cave, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. The bear is sleeping, but the friends, the animals, are having a party in his lair. Oh no, I'm kind of worried by now. What's gonna happen? Hare stokes the fire. Maybe they're making something more. Mouse seasons stew. They're making stew. They're seasoning it. I wonder what he's gonna use when he's seasoning it. I think maybe some pepper, some salt, everyone. Then a small pepper. He was seasoning the stew, and a small pepper fleck above the air, and it's going. Do you see something flying in the air? Some peppers flying and fluttering and fluttering, and I think something's gonna happen. And you know what? It made the bear achoo! Uh-oh, the little speck of pepper made the bear achoo! Sneeze! Uh-oh, I'm kind of scared right now. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh, how do you think the animals would feel like right now? The bear, the sleeping bear, wakes. Uh-oh, what should they do? Do you think they should run away? What do you think they would do? The bear wakes up. The bear gnarls and snarls. Bear rolls and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh, what do you think? He's angry. Yikes, run away. Do you think they'll go outside the cave? I wonder how angry he is. Well, you know what? Oh my, what is he doing, everyone? He's not sleeping. He's not, being angry. He's crying. He's crying? You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. Oh, he's sad because everyone had fun except the bear. You've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I had none. Oh my, the bear was so sad because everyone had fun except him, and he couldn't eat anything. And he whimpers, and he moans, he wails, and he groans, and the bear blubbles on. He sobs and cries on and on and on. Aw, we didn't expect that, didn't you? Oh, but what do you think the mouse is going to tell the big bear? The mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." How nice the mouse is. They have more corn. They can brew more tea. Do you think the bear is going to be happy, everyone? Yes, they will be happy. And the bear would be happy too. Oh, the little mole is going to be cozy there right next to the bear. The bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins
tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. He just woke up. He had a long sleep, but he just woke up. I guess he can't go back to sleep again. But what about the other animals? Oh no. But his friends snore on. Oh well, I guess the bear is becoming a very nice warm little bed for all the animals from the story. And they're all full and happy. The end. And that was Bear Snores On.